Hey there, Jackie from Math Hat by Jackie B, and this video is just going to show you how to use and how your students will use my Linear Systems of Equations digital interactive notebook. So I made this because during digital learning I was assigning students work digitally, but they really needed a reminder of how to do it. So embedded within the assignments are videos that show the kids or review the topic with the students. So I've included in the first page a Bitmoji classroom, just a blank template, sort of the desk and the bookshelf and this and the clock. Those are not movable, but everything else is. So you would type a personal message, you would say, welcome, I would say, welcome to Miss Beam's class. Then here the title is Assignments for the Linear Systems Unit, which is what this essentially is, but you could add anything you want. Then I would go ahead and on mine, I've added my Bitmoji. So you would go up here and you would add your Bitmoji, maybe the one with the big coffee. That seems like the one that I would pick. That's the one that's actually on mine, so it is definitely the one I would pick. So here's me with my coffee. You could also add an audio file here to tell the students something about this unit or when it's due or something like that. You would just go to Insert Audio File, and I would also search and personalize this. So if you go Insert Image, search the web, whatever you want to do, just make sure you search transparent. So like on mine, I have this big Giants logo on the wall because my students know I love the Giants no matter how bad they are. So they would expect to see that on my wall. And it's just nice because we're not together in person to be able to personalize it. So you would put anything you want on here, and then your students would get started. This is the assignment page, and all of the different topics for the unit are here. So if we wanted them to say, start with solve linear systems by using substitution, or this is the day they were on. Because it's not in presentation mode, the button doesn't work like an actual button. They click on it and then go to the link that's right there. The beginning of all of the topics have some sort of reminder video. Everyone except the last one, which is just a recap assignment, and I'll show you that. So this one will say, if you're working on substitution, the video is embedded.
Hello. This video is going to serve as a quick review of how to solve a linear system of equations using the substitution method.
And I go through,
if we recall,
pretty close, I go through how to do it, how to set it up, how if they missed your lesson, this will help them complete the assignments. And then again, they'll go to next slide. And again, I have to move this one up a little bit. The button's not going to work like a button. They'll have to actually click on next slide. And these are all either type in or drag and drop. So they're not actually going to need pencil and paper for anything in this assignment notebook. It's just going to take them to the next slide if I can get it to do it for me. And there we go. Couldn't click on it for the life of me. And so then when they complete this, they'll go next slide. When they complete this, they'll go next slide. They'll complete this, go next slide. And then when they come to the end of a section, they'll know it because they'll get a solving this systems of linear equations using substitution is complete. They'll get one of those for each section. They'll go back to the topic list, which they don't really need to do because they've done their homework for that day. And then when they finish all of it, like I said, everything is either drag and drop. The word problems, it forces them to label their variables. It gives them a space to put their equation and then their answers. And again, it will tell you each section is done. And then when they come to the very end, it will say, congratulations, congratulations, you've completed your Linear Systems of Equations digital assessment notebook. And that's it. This is, you assign it through Google Classroom, you can assign it through email, personalize it, but everything can be done in here, and they can just, you can have them turn it all in at once, you can have them turn it in day by day. I have them turn it in all at once. But that's it. I hope you loved it. I hope your kids love it. I would love to know how this worked for you in your classroom. Please shoot me an email, and do go follow me, Teachers Pay Teachers, Math Hat by Jackie B, and find all of my other digital solutions there for this wonderful year of 2020 that we're in. Thanks for watching.